David, how long were you thinking about writing this book?
Oh, I was thinking about it for like 10 years and I did a lot of work on it, but I wasn't getting anywhere.
No, and from the time we started working together in 2019, how long was it before we had your draft?
Okay, it was 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, it took 3 months.
Amazing.
It was very simple. You kind of helped.
Yeah, a little bit, right?
Yeah, and that's not the only book. You know, I did a book before this, and it was a family book, which I called Before the Invention of Smiling. I worked on this for 10 years, and then I finally gave up on it, went to you, and it was, again, 3 months.
3 months. Yeah, magic.
Yeah, it was magic, yes.
Magic. Now, you don't have to be a Hollywood legend like David to work with me. You're a legend.
Okay, stop already.
He did Airplane. So you don't have to be a Hollywood legend to work with me. You can join the International Author Academy today. You can gain access to all of the tools, tricks, processes, all the industry secrets that I know that can get you from writing, publishing, marketing your book in record time. You've been waiting long enough to write your book. You've been frustrated long enough to write your book. Do yourself a favor, join International Author Academy, join me, and I will see you inside. Right, David?